How to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down and tap on time management. And now here, once you're inside the time management, there you'll see the option labeled as sleep mode. So just tap on it. And now here, in this section, you'll see the start time and end time. So just choose your start time and end time as well. But first, enable or toggle on the sleep mode option. And now here, with that, you can choose the day you want for the sleep mode to be enabled. And here you can choose the start time and the end time as well. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on save. And once you do it, the sleep mode will activate according to this function. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.